welcome back to another episode of Life Above the Clouds, your guide to elevated eating with a new cannabis recipe every week. So we have a set change. I just moved, if you care. Spring is officially here, so I wanted to make something light and fresh. So this week we are making cannabis lemon bars. I love desserts with lemon in them because I think that the tartness of lemon is perfect with the sweetness of your dessert. So lemon bars are one of my favorite things to eat and make because they're actually really easy to make. We are going to start by making our crust. In a medium-sized mixing bowl, combine your melted regular butter and cannabis butter with the sugar. Then add in the flour and salt and mix until it's just combined. Press the dough evenly into an 8x8 pan. I have already greased mine and lined it with parchment paper. Then bake for 10 minutes at 350 degrees. While it's cooling, we are going to make the lemon filling. First, mix your lemon zest and sugar in a large mixing bowl. Then add your lemon juice, the flour, baking powder, and finally the eggs. Mix until it's well combined and all the sugar is dissolved. Now pour your lemon mixture over the crust and bake at 350 degrees for another 25 minutes or until the filling has set. Remove it from the oven and allow it to cool completely before dusting it with powdered sugar and cutting it into 12 equal pieces. And our lemon bars are already ready. That was so fast and easy, wasn't it? I like to dust mine with powdered sugar before I cut them and then after I cut them because you really just want a nice coating of powdered sugar. The crust is nice and crisp and the lemon filling is still kind of gooey, but it reminds me of a lemon starburst. I feel like I could eat a million of them, but I will try not to. I hope you liked this episode of Life Above the Clouds. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and give this video a thumbs up and share it with all of your friends. And don't forget to check out my new Patreon page. If you want to send over a cup of sugar or a bag of flour, I would really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching. Bye guys.